I use ChatGPT every week to run a multiple six-figure YouTube business. It's not about letting AI take over, it's about knowing the exact prompts to use in ChatGPT to get the best results. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact prompts to use to turn ChatGPT into your marketing assistant, your thumbnail consultant, and your scriptwriter. It's easier than you think, and it's going to save you a ton of time and frustration. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Sebring. I love to help people create freedom-focused online businesses, teaching what they know. If you're into that kind of thing, and especially if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and give this a like. Today, we're going step by step through the exact process I use to generate unlimited video ideas, write clickable titles and thumbnail concepts, draft full scripts in minutes without sounding robotic, optimize my YouTube descriptions, and repurpose content into emails and social posts. So that's the big picture of where we're going. But what I want to do is I want us to think differently about ChatGPT. Because if you're anything like I was as AI started rolling out, I got a little nervous about what is this going to do to my creativity? Is it going to steal something away that I enjoy so much about this process? And I want to encourage you not to think of it like it's replacing your creativity, but as a partner that is brainstorming with you. Think of it like your script writing assistant, your marketing intern, and your brainstorming buddy all rolled into one. The truth is, the people who get mediocre results from ChatGPT treat it like a Google search, but the people who dominate with ChatGPT, they treat it like a collaborator. And this collaboration mindset is what you need for this masterclass. And so for each of the 5 areas that we're going to cover in this video, I'm going to give you the exact prompts to use and some strategies to keep in mind as you're moving forward. All right, so step 1 is ideas on demand. You want to have a running list inside of ChatGPT with video ideas that you can go to at any point, and you can keep adding to this list as time goes on. But the prompt you're going to use is simply this. Give me 20 YouTube video ideas for insert your niche that solve real problems, create curiosity, and tie into trending searches. Here's what this does. Number 1, you're getting 20 ideas that are directly related to your niche. And when you insert your niche, make sure that you're specific about who, what, and how. I talk about this all the time, but tell ChatGPT who you help, what you help them do, and how you help them do it. And what that's going to do is it's going to give it enough information to populate the rest of it, right? Now it's going to know what real problems they have. It's going to know how to create curiosity among those people, and it's going to search for what's trending in that niche. It's as simple as that to get your ideas started. All right, step 2 is hook and title prompts. What I want to do here is I want to take one of the ideas from that list of 20, and I want to ask it to go a little bit further and give me some more options on that idea. So the prompt is going to read like this. Write 10 curiosity-driven YouTube titles about, and then insert the topic. Include a mix of listicles, myths, mistakes, and bold claims. Basically, it's given you a variety of ways to move forward with the video. All right, so step 3 is where it gets really fun. Script frameworks. This is where ChatGPT really shines if you train it with structure. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select the best title and hook idea from step 2, and you're going to put it into this prompt. Write me a YouTube script using this format. Hook to big promise to roadmap to deep dive with examples to mid-roll CTA to proof/case study to mistakes/tips to recap. Keep the tone casual and punchy. Here's why this is so powerful. This is going to map out your entire script for your video, starting with the hook. Essentially, what the hook is going to do is it's going to create a question or a curiosity in the mind of the person watching that the video must answer, that they need an answer to. And this hook is going to lead straight to a big promise. What is the big promise of your video? What it's going to do is it's going to take this big topic that you've given it, it's going to take the background knowledge it has of you and your niche, and it's going to say, given this topic and this hook, what is the payoff? What is the promise that I'm going to give this user? So if you think about this video, my big promise was I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to speed up the process, become your marketing assistant, become your script writing assistant. That was the big promise. My hook was, hey, essentially you could use ChatGPT wrong or you could use it right. And if you use it right, you're going to get massive, massive results. That was my hook, led to the big promise. The third thing is roadmap. Roadmap is where you basically lay out, here's what the video is going to entail. Then we're going to do deep dive with examples. The deep dive is the teaching content. That's what I'm doing right now. now. I'm walking through the steps, the teaching content, the steps of the video. Mid-roll CTA, this is where you're going to reference your lead magnet. You're going to say, hey, you can get my free guide, you can get my helpful resource. This is what takes people from your content to your lead magnet. It needs to have this strategically placed in your video. Then proof/case study. This is optional, but it's really nice if you have a direct case study to point to say, here's someone who did what I'm teaching in this video and here's how it worked. And then I love to end a lot of my videos with mistakes/quick tips. Either mistakes, like here's what to avoid, or quick tips. Here's how to implement what I've done. And then at the end, we do a recap. This script has served me so well for so many videos. If you want a pro tip for this prompt, go into this video that you're watching, copy the transcript, and tell ChatGPT to do what I'm saying in this video. This is a hack that I've used so many times. Instead of trying to get the exact right prompt, ChatGPT can think very holistically. If you just take this entire transcript, dump it into ChatGPT, and say, ask me all the questions you need from me to do this with my niche, it will do everything for you, and you will speed up this process even more. All right, before we get to step 4, I want to invite you to download my super simple guide to starting a thriving online business. It's over at lanesebring.com/super simple. It'll give you the exact 6 steps that I use to build a multiple 6-figure online business, teaching what I know. And it will show you the exact steps that hundreds of other people have used that I've taught as well. It's free. You can read it right now. lanesebring.com/super simple. All right, step 4 is YouTube descriptions. This is really fun because ChatGPT already knows the script. It's written it. Write a YouTube description for this video, include 3 to 5 searchable keywords, a quick value statement, and a strong call to action. This is all you need, and it will crank out a great YouTube description for you that you can copy and paste right in. And then finally, step 5, content repurposing. The prompt is simply this. Take this YouTube transcript and turn it into 1 email newsletter, 3 Instagram carousels, and 5 tweet ideas. Whether or not you use all those is beside the point. If you email your videos out to your list, you'll have copy for that. If you make Instagram carousels or tweetable quotes, you have all that ready to go as well. All right, now I'm gonna give you 5 quick tips to make ChatGPT as smooth as butter for your business. All right, number 1, train ChatGPT on your voice by posting past scripts and saying, write like this. Go to whatever content you've made. If it's YouTube, copy the transcript, throw it in there and say, this is how I speak, write like this. Do it again and again and again, 4, 5, 6, 10 times, and it will learn your voice. It's pretty smart. Number 2, use it for timing breakdowns. You can literally say, make this a 7-minute video, and it will map out what a 7-minute video basically looks like. Number 3, use it to generate community posts on YouTube. This is admittedly something that I don't do enough, but when I see people do this well, it's really, really great. YouTube has community posts. For every video, you can make a post and ChatGPT will do it for you. Just say, make me a post based on this video that will do well on YouTube community posts. Number 4, ask it for questions to ask on camera to get people to comment. For example, one of the questions that it told me to ask for this video is, in what ways have you used ChatGPT to help you in your creative process? Please share below. So there you go. That's one question that it told me to ask. And then number 5, use it to build series playlist. One of the best tools to use on YouTube is playlist, like a series of videos instead of just one. And instead of saying, write me 1 script, just multiply it into write me a 5 video series on this topic and it will do it. And so there you have it. That is how so far I have turned ChatGPT into a secret weapon for my YouTube channel. And I am barely scratching the surface, which is why I really do want to know from you, how have you used it? What am I missing? What are some neat tricks and tips that you have learned along the way? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And check out this video right here where I'm going to show you the exact mistakes to avoid when you're using ChatGPT for YouTube, because there are some landmines that if you step on them, you'll mess up and it won't be good. So click right there and I'll see you in that video.